Rubber bands can withstand forces equivalent to a speeding car crashing into a brick wall. Rubber bands have been around for centuries, and yet their incredible strength and versatility continue to amaze us. Imagine a rubber band that can stretch up to 3 times its original length and snap back into shape. But how do they manage to withstand such enormous forces? The secret lies in their unique molecular structure. Rubber bands are made up of long chains of molecules that can stretch and contract without breaking. This property is known as elasticity, and it allows rubber bands to absorb and release energy. But that's not the strangest part. Rubber bands can also be used for some pretty impressive DIY repairs. For example, a rubber band can be used to secure a loose screw or hold a broken wire in place. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even use a rubber band to create a makeshift pulley system. But wait until you hear what happens when you stretch a rubber band too far. It's like a mini explosion. The sudden release of energy can cause the rubber band to snap back into shape with incredible force. This is because the rubber band is storing up energy as it stretches, and when it reaches its limit, it releases it all at once. It's like a tiny, harmless bomb going off in your hand. And then something unexpected happened. I started thinking about all the other uses for rubber bands. From holding together a broken toy to securing a bundle of wires, rubber bands are incredibly versatile. They are also incredibly durable. A rubber band can withstand forces equivalent to a speeding car crashing into a brick wall. But that's not all. Rubber bands can also be used as a makeshift bookmark or even as a hair tie. Who knew something so simple could be so useful? But let's get back to the DIY repairs. What else can we use a rubber band for? For example, you can use a rubber band to hold a broken zipper in place or secure a loose hinge. And if you're feeling creative, you can even use a rubber band to create a simple wind chime. The possibilities are endless. But what about when the rubber band breaks? Can it be repaired? The answer is yes, and it's surprisingly easy. All you need to do is clean the broken rubber band and re-stretch it to its original shape. And if that doesn't work, you can always try using a rubber band repair kit. It's like a special kind of glue that restores the rubber band's elasticity. But what about the environmental impact of rubber bands? The good news is that most rubber bands are biodegradable, so they can be composted and won't harm the environment. And if you're feeling eco-friendly, you can even use reusable rubber bands or make your own from natural materials. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're faced with a DIY repair, remember the humble rubber band. It may seem simple, but it's a powerful tool that can help you get the job done. And if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite uses for rubber bands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tutorials and creative hacks. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. We're always looking for new ideas and topics to explore. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY repair tutorial and creative hacks. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. If you found this DIY repair tutorial helpful, subscribe for more creative hacks and DIY tutorials.